Good evening everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So in the last class we are discussing about the various methods of measurement of price elasticity of the demand. So already we have discussed about the point method or the geometric method. So those who haven't seen the video, please go through the video and just you will get the various idea about this point method or the geometric method, and a very detailed discussion I have done on that video. And I have also told that question have came in the year ISC, so to write exactly in the same way as I have explained it so that you can get the full marks. So it's better you just go through the video again and again, and if you write according to it, I think you can able to score the full marks. So in that way I have explained the video. It won't create any it will be easy and better for each and everyone to understand. So today in this class we are going to discuss about the total expenditure method. This is also one of the method of measurement of elasticity of the demand. So we are going to discuss about the total expenditure method in this class today. So first let us discuss about what is the meaning of this word total expenditure method. See, elasticity of a demand can be measured by considering the change in the total expenditure on a commodity as a result of change in the price. Means due to this change in the price, how the total expenditure will be affected. If the price increase or if the price decrease, what will be the effect on the total expenditure? So that is the total expenditure method. In that way we can calculate the elasticity of the demand. Due to change in the total expenditure, what will be the elasticity of the demand? So we are going to explain this. Change in the price. So this total expenditure method, again we will categorize into three types of elasticities. Now this total expenditure method we can categorize three types of elasticity. So under this total expenditure method we can categorize three types of elasticities. What are the three types of elasticities? First is elastic demand, inelastic demand and unitary elastic demand. So we are going to explain these three demands one by one along with the diagram and a schedule for your better understanding. First we are going to discuss about this elastic demand. What is this elastic demand? First you see this table. See, when there is a fall in the price, your total expenditure is increasing. See, fall in the price means your quantity demanded will increase. And how you are measuring this total expenditure? P into Q. How you are measuring this total expenditure? P into Q. See, as your price fall, your total expenditure also here increases. And with the rise in the price of a commodity, your total expenditure decreases. See, when the price is 60, your total expenditure will be 600. Now when the price is reduced to 50, total expenditure increases to 650. That means what we can consider from here, what we can evaluate from here, we can say that as the price of a commodity fall, the total expenditure increases, and with the increase in price or rise in price, the total expenditure decrease. So this is the fact which we can see from here. And in this case what will happen? Your EP will be greater than 1. Now let us see with the help of this diagram. So this is the case of the elastic demand. Here we are measuring the price, here we are measuring the quantity. See, when your price is 60, your quantity is 10. When your price falls to 50, your quantity demanded increases to 30. In this case, this will be the demand curve. A little flatter. In the case of elastic demand curve, that means when EP greater than 1, the demand curve will be little flatter. Okay, next we move on to inelastic demand. Now this is the inelastic demand. Inelastic demand, we can see that as price fall, your total expenditure also reduces. As price increases, total expenditure increases. So in this case, your elasticity of the demand will be less than 1. In this case, your price elasticity of the demand will be less than 1. EP is less than 1. So let us see with the help of the diagram. Okay, so this is the diagram of an inelastic demand. What we can see as a price, this is 60, this is 10. When the price falls to 50, the quantity demanded increases to 11. So from here what we can understand that here EP will be, in the case of inelastic demand, this demand curve will be little bit steeper, and EP here will be less than 1. Now the last one, which is a unitary elastic demand, let us look at that diagram. So this is the case of unitary elastic demand. What we can see that the total expenditure does not change, it remains the same. Even if the price fall or price increase or decrease, total expenditure remains the same. So in the case of fall in the price, total expenditure is also 600. In the case of increase in the price, total expenditure is 600. So that means when there will be no change in the expenditure, total expenditure, even if the rise in price or fall in the price, that is called the unitary elastic demand. So this is the case of the demand curve. So this much for today. Those who haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe it, and please go through the video carefully again and again. If you have any problem in understanding any of the videos, any of the topic, you can watch the video again and again, and definitely I think you can able to understand it. Still, if you have any problem, you can ask me in the comment box. I am ready to answer all of your questions. Thanks for watching.